wanted to ask him where the ice cream place is. I could do a hand motion. Where's some ice cream?
Oh yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to find an ice cream place.
Okay, should we ask her?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know where the ice cream place is? No? Darn it. Alright. Thank you. Shh, shh. Oh, ask them. Do you know where the ice cream place is? Dang it. Well, we live here. We don't know where it is. What? Oh, right here? So we're on our way to find some ice cream, wherever that might be. Alright, I think we passed the stadium like 5 times now. It just got real empty over here. It seems like a slight concern. Oh, that's a popo. Slow down, bro. I feel like I would get in a shootout back here. Dude, this city's kinda cool. Like, New York City is intimidating. At least to me it was. This is like a little baby version. Ooh, Jaguar F-Type. Oh. Hi, Beale Street. My skid mark. That was my, you smell it? I skidded all the way up to here. There's the pyramid. We're getting closer. Oh, here's Poplar. If anyone's been to Memphis, you'll know Poplar is a very popular street. Whoa, what is that? Dude, that's like an amazing overpass maze. Dude. Oh yeah, by the way guys, the pyramid is a Bass Pro Shop. I wanted to not like ruin the surprise. DRZs and pyramids. This is cool and amazing. It's also kind of scary. Because if I lose him, I don't know how to get home. There's a train tracks in the road. Does he know not to fuck? Oh gosh. Oh, I forgot to tell him about train tracks. He's a little new at riding. That it's important not to do what he's about to do. Oh, this could end bad. Don't do it. At least he's on a dual sport. I hope he makes it out of the little track area. Fudge, here's another one. Alright, what do we do with the bus? Can we get... I guess we're just lane splitting it. Look at that limo. Oh yeah. That was probably illegal. Oh, not the train track part again. Oh, bro. Oh, bro. Alright, I have to warn him about the train track. Oh my god. I hope I got that on camera. Oh, that could have been so bad. Well, he learned his lesson. Well, I shouldn't be laughing, shouldn't I? Oh crap, we're not doing this again. I'm not pulling what he just pulled. What are you doing? You gotta back in. Like that. Don't hit my bike. There we go, get out of first gear.
What did she say?
She didn't know. Either she was lying to us because, for whatever reason, some people like to lie. It's like one of those rides that you go with the spring at the bottom. Ugh. Wait, what place are we getting ice cream at?